Hey, we've all been there, grabbing that bottle of olive oil ready to whip up a healthy meal. After all, it's the go-to choice for everything from sautéing veggies to dressing salads, right? But what if I told you that some of the habits you've been using with olive oil could actually be turning this kitchen favorite into a serious health risk? But don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're going to break down the most common olive oil mistakes that might be happening in your kitchen and show you exactly how to fix them so you can keep your meals both delicious and safe. Stick around because what you learn today could completely transform the way you use olive oil. Starting with mistake number 1, frying olive oil at high temperature. Did you know that frying olive oil at high temperatures can be dangerous for your health? When olive oil is heated beyond its smoke point, 190 to 207 degrees Celsius or 374 to 405 degrees Fahrenheit, it starts to break down and release a harmful chemical called acrolein. Acrolein is a carcinogen, meaning it can cause cancer by damaging your cells. This can lead to serious types of cancer, including stomach, colon, liver, and pancreatic cancer. To avoid this, use extra virgin olive oil for cold dishes like salads or for adding flavor to cooked meals, not for frying. If you need to cook at high temperatures, choose oils that can handle heat better, such as avocado oil or refined olive oil. Mistake number 2 is using expired olive oil. Trust me, you want to avoid this one. When olive oil sits around for too long, the fats start breaking down and can turn into harmful substances. Old olive oil can create oxidized fats and free radicals, which are not great for your body. This can lead to serious health issues like clogged arteries and heart disease, and it might even increase your risk of stomach cancer. The next mistake you need to avoid is using rancid olive oil. This can be very dangerous. When olive oil goes bad, it forms harmful substances that can damage your liver. Over time, this can lead to serious liver problems like cirrhosis, scarring of the liver, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and even liver cancer. To avoid this, make sure to store it in a cool, dark place to help it last longer. Once you crack open a bottle, try to use it within 6 months. Before we get to the next list, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss a video that could help improve your cooking and your health. You'll definitely want to watch until the end because we'll be revealing a mistake most people never realize they're making. Now, let's move on to mistake number 4, using fake olive oil. Fake olive oil can contain dangerous ingredients like trans fats, which are harmful to your health. These additives can increase your risk of serious conditions like heart disease, cancer, and strokes. To avoid these risks, always buy olive oil from trusted sources. Look for certifications like DOP or IGP on the label, which show the product is genuine and meets high-quality standards. On number 5 is storing olive oil in plastic containers. Plastic containers can release harmful chemicals like bisphenol A, BPA, and phthalates into olive oil, especially when exposed to heat or sunlight. BPA is known to cause hormonal imbalances, cancer, and infertility, while phthalates can also disrupt health. It's time for a quick poll. Where do you store your olive oil? Plastic, glass, or stainless steel? Cast your vote below and let's see how everyone is storing their oil. Feel free to share why you prefer your choice in the comments. Moving on. Now we all love a good shortcut in the kitchen, right? But microwaving olive oil is one shortcut you'll want to avoid. Olive oil can break down its healthy fats and antioxidants, destroying many of its beneficial properties. When exposed to high, uneven microwave heat, olive oil may form harmful compounds like aldehydes, which are toxic. These aldehydes are known to contribute to serious health issues, including cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and inflammatory conditions. Next is using olive oil for long-term food storage. Storing foods like garlic or herbs in olive oil for too long without proper care can lead to botulism, a serious illness that can cause paralysis or even death. Botulism happens when bacteria grow in a low-oxygen environment, like when food is covered in oil. To avoid this, always make sure to sterilize jars or containers properly and refrigerate any foods stored in olive oil. Use them within a few days and never keep homemade garlic or herb oils at room temperature. On number 8, combining olive oil with rapidly oxidizing foods. Mixing olive oil with foods that oxidize quickly, like chopped vegetables or nuts, can lead to the formation of harmful compounds called lipid peroxides. These toxic compounds are linked to various cancers and chronic inflammatory diseases, such as arthritis. To reduce this risk, it's best to prepare salads and other dishes with freshly chopped ingredients right before serving. This helps minimize oxidation and keeps your food safer and healthier. Using fresh ingredients along with olive oil will help preserve its health benefits and protect against the formation of harmful toxins. Mistake number 9 is freezing olive oil. Freezing olive oil can lead to the breakdown of its beneficial fats and antioxidants, resulting in the formation of lipid peroxides, harmful compounds linked to serious health risks like liver cancer, fatty liver disease, and heart disease. To keep olive oil fresh and safe, store it in a cool, dark place, ideally between 14 to 18 degrees Celsius, 57 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Use olive oil within 6 to 12 months to maintain its health benefits and prevent it from degrading over time. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Mistake number 10. Have you ever been tempted to drizzle some olive oil over your piping hot pasta or veggies right after cooking? While it might sound delicious, when olive oil is exposed to high temperatures, it oxidizes and produces carcinogenic compounds that can increase the risk of cancers in the esophagus, stomach, and intestines. To avoid this, it's important to let your dishes cool to below 120 degrees Celsius, 248 degrees Fahrenheit, before adding olive oil. This way, you can preserve its health benefits and avoid harmful oxidation that occurs at higher temperatures. And there you have it. The top 10 mistakes people make when using olive oil that can seriously impact your health. By avoiding these common errors, you can continue to enjoy the delicious taste and many benefits of olive oil while keeping your body safe from harm. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more simple tips to improve your cooking. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell us which olive oil mistake surprised you the most, or share any tips you have. And let us know what topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.